Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah with registerednursern.com, and in this video I'm going to go over hypertonic solutions. So let's get started. Hypertonic IV solutions have a higher osmolarity than the blood, so they have a higher concentration of solutes in the fluid. Now because of this, osmosis will cause water to leave the intracellular space, hence it could shrink the cell, which can help expand the extracellular space. Now why would this be beneficial? Well, if we have a patient who has a severely low level of sodium, so they're having severe hyponatremia where they don't have a lot of sodium in that blood, or they have brain swelling, which is cerebral edema. Now some solutions that are considered hypertonic include 3% saline, dextrose 10% in water, dextrose 5% in normal saline, and then dextrose 5% in half normal saline. Now some things you want to remember about these fluids whenever you're administering them is that you want to use them very cautiously because they have the risk of overloading that extracellular space because we're pulling fluid from inside the cell, because remember, a lot of fluid hangs out inside that cell to that extracellular space, which in the end could overload our system, leading to pulmonary edema. In addition, because these solutions are highly concentrated of, let's say, like saline, they could cause hypernatremia, so we'd want to check sodium levels of the blood. And when you go to administer these solutions, you always want to check with your facility's protocol on how to properly administer hypertonic solutions, because some may recommend that all hypertonic solutions have to be administered through a central line rather than a peripheral IV, while others may say just 10% or higher concentrations have to be administered through a central line. And the reason for this is because if hypertonic solutions get in the surrounding tissue, it can be very damaging to those cells and tissue. So we have to watch out for extravasation. Okay, so that wraps up this video. If you'd like to watch more videos in this series, you can access the link in the description below.